Okay, when we're back, we're gonna do our lovely Chisaki route. So hopefully we're gonna do a good hour, maybe a good hour, but hopefully. But anyway, let's go.
それじゃあ、坂の上さんが安心して病院に行けるように、頑張
Yay!
ろう。
Yay! Nanami glances at me, clearly displeased. What can we
いいの
say?
そんなこと約束しちゃって。
Yeah. What other option is there? We can't just let her go solo. Yeah, I mean she's bound to get in trouble. It's much better if it's much better to join up with her than than risk running into her during our search.
それはそうかもしれないけど。
I mean, okay, I mean at least this way we can keep an eye on her.
でも仕方ないね。私も他に方法は思い浮かばないから。
I mean it's better this way. I'll tell Dad about our plan. Thanks for going along with this.
それじゃあ、そうだ
I swear and lovely Nanami though.
3人揃ってチーム突破頑張りましょ
The SDF force? Yeah.
う2人揃ってむせたりするなんてどうしたんですか
Let's not use that name.
いや、
Let's not use that name. Why are we the SDF force?
こういう時チーム名があった方がいいと思ったので。
I mean, we could. I mean, don't get Nanami over here thinking about names, okay?
3人揃って痴漢許すまじ特別捜査班略して突版です。
We are the super female defense force. Um, I'm not a female, ma'am. Okay.
びっくりした。
I almost thought she knew about us for a second there. God, I nearly had a heart attack. I mean,
お気に召しませんか
let's not. Well, I think we should. I think we'll do just fine without a team name. Yeah, it'd be great.
私もチーム名は大げさだと思うな。そうまあ二人がそういうのならとにかく頑張ろ
Yeah.
う。
Oh, this nervousness is so enjoyable. Even though this was our best course of action, I have a feeling that this is going to complicate things a whole lot. Yeah.
リドルジョーカー
Oh, skip my part. This is like, well, I wish it was late in the afternoon, but it's late. Anyway, the following day, Nanami and I walked to school with Mibu-san. Needless to say, it was because of our cooperation with the molester incident.
犯人を捕まえるためには闇雲に動いてもダメだと思うんです。何かしらの作戦というか方針が必要じゃないですか
We could just use her. We could use you as bait, quite frank. I guess.
放課後までにそのことで話し合いたいので、今日のお昼3人で食べませんか私は大丈夫。
I mean, we could use Nanami as bait, but quite frank, I don't. I'd rather not use our lovely Nanami as bait, quite frank. This bait is too tempting and delicious. So, quite frank, use Chisaki. Keep Nanami safe. I don't mind either. She's really pumped up about this. It'll be hard. It'll be hard to try and talk her down. Oh, excuse me. Nani must be thinking the same thing. At a loss, I find myself unable to do something but softly sigh. Nani approaches and whispers into my ear, "Oh, girl, please don't do that."
千咲ちゃんのことお父さんには
Oh, yes, I swear, Nami's voice in the air is just so it can get you going. Yeah, I reported. Yeah, yeah, wait, yeah. I reported it. I reported it to him. So a girl named Mibu Chisaki has joined our investigation.
ま、仕方ないということにしておこう。
Yeah. Also, also, okay. Might, okay. What I might possibly do. Okay, I might switch up the schedule for this weekend to make all this stuff work. So again, okay, what I'm planning of doing is okay. I'm maybe okay. I think I'm gonna do live stream Thursday and Friday. I'm gonna do a Kikino video. We'll try and do a Kikino video um sometime soon, but like sometime before Saturday come along. But and then I'll have that for Saturday. Um I might if I possibly can, I'll come back Sunday night maybe, or Sunday afternoon. I might be Sunday night or afternoon or whatever. I try and put a video out then. Um, so yeah, that's gonna be something. Um, yeah, I mean, I'm gonna try and get all this stuff to work out. I'm gonna try and get this stuff to work out. Though, okay, I might, I might not instead. I'm okay. I might, I might do Secret Agent on Friday instead, and Ultimate Dom, and just not live stream Ultimate Dom. That's something I'm thinking about doing. That's what I might do is do Ultimate Dom on freaking Sunday and just don't live stream that. That's what I might do. I have no idea how the schedule's gonna work. But anyway,
個人的にはもう少しうまいやり方があったんじゃないかと思うがな。
sorry.
今さら捜査の話はやっぱりなしとも言えないだろう。
I doubt I'll be able to. If anything, it will just make her more determined.
考えようによっては痴漢捜査の表向きの口実を作ることができたとも考えられる。ただ分かってると思うが。
Yes, sir. Of course, she won't. Of course, she won't know a thing about the organization.
ならいい。そのままその子も含めて捜査を続けてくれ。何か分かれば連絡を。
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I don't know. He gave us permission to do the search with her, begrudgingly, but still. We just need to find the molester and make sure she doesn't find out about us.
気をつけないとね。
Yeah.
二人で何をこそこそ話してるの？
We're whispering about Nanami's bra size.
ああ、いや、別に大したことは全然。
Yeah, no, we were seriously talking about how her boobs has gotten bigger. I swear. We were just talking about lunch. We could eat at one of the canteens, but there's a lot of other people. There's gonna be but there's a lot of other people. Given what we're gonna be talking about, we might want to choose a more discreet location.
それはあるかもしれませんね。
Yeah, up to Nami's room.
じゃあ、今日はパンを買って中庭で食べませんか？
Okay. Bread it is. I mean, nothing you can't grill bread.
とりあえず、犯人を捕まえる方法について考えてみたんですよ。
Okay.
何かいいやん、思いついた？やっぱり、犯行現場を抑えるのが一番だと思うんだよね。
Okay. Fair. Right.
私も一応女の子なわけですから、ここはおとり捜査なんてどうでしょう？
What? No.
即答ですか。
Yeah. I'm not gonna let anyone be a decoy for a molester.
まあ、私の貧相な体じゃ犯人も引っかかってくれないかもしれないですけど。
Uh, you'll be surprised. That's not what I meant. I think a cute girl like you would get targeted. So I don't want you to put yourself in danger.
またまた、そんなお世辞を言っても何も出ませんよ。
Oh damn! I'm being serious here.
お
She's taken aback by my grave tone. If you go in with that mindset that you're invincible, things are bound to blow up in your face. You know very well, what Subiri-san was crying, don't you? If is that what you want? What is that what you want? What is that what you want to subject yourself to?
それは、
Yeah, being helpless to another person. Yeah, it is not enjoying. It is not enjoying as what you think. As I mean, it ain't. I mean, sometimes yes, but depending on the person, you gotta have a somewhat king for it. But I mean, yeah. I wait. Okay, I heard that. Wait, I heard that for victims, oftentimes the fear is so intense that their minds go blank. That their minds blank out. What if you get traumatized? You can't put yourself in a situation where you might become prey instead of the hunter. Using anyone as a decoy is dangerous, and I won't allow. We're working together precisely because we want to avoid that kind of situation. I'm not lying. We have a mission to accomplish, but I'm truly worried about her well-being.
すみません。
Yeah, you dumb donkey. I'm not mad at you or anything. Just forget about the whole decoy thing.
はい、わかりました。危ないことはしないって約束します。
Thank you.
でも、おとり捜査がダメとなると、3人だと手が回らないかもしれませんね。
I mean, we may have a better chance by just waiting, just staking it out.
手伝ってくれる人を探しましょうか。
I mean, that would help too.
それは、あんまり良くないと思うよ、ちさきちゃん。
I mean, okay, that sounds helpful, but at the same time, more people that know they were looking, the more it's gonna get out. Now,
そう？それは、だから、えっと、
I mean, that's not good. I mean, again, it's gonna help, but I mean, at the same time, it's gonna risk us being exposed. The more people we have searching, the more likely the criminal notices and grows wary. Yeah,
そうそう。
yeah, and also there's a chance that the school will figure out what we're doing, and they'll undoubtedly tell us to stop and wait for the police to solve it.
そっか、それはそうですね。で
Yeah,
もそうすると、
yeah, it's good old police.
とりあえず、現場を確認するのが一番なんじゃないかな。こういう寮生活だと、通勤ラッシュや帰宅ラッシュの混み具合も経験したわけじゃないから。
Yeah, we can't do much without first knowing what it's like.
なるほど。それなら犯人を見つけられなくても、坂上さんがこれ以上被害に遭わないよう、対策ぐらいは考えられるかも。わかりました。じゃあそうしましょう。
Hey,
でも、私たちは授業があるから、朝のラッシュを経験するのは難しいね。
well, let's just aim for afternoon class, but let's just aim for afternoon rush hour for now.
じゃあ、授業が終わったらすぐに集合でいいですか？
Yay! All right, let's try to make our move around sunset. The rough time, wait, the rough that wait that roughly wait, that roughly times wait, that roughly wait, that's roughly the times when most of the assaults happen, according to Dad's notes. Between 7 and 8 in the morning and 6 to 8 in the evening. Our curfew is 7:30 and 7:30 p.m. But we can still do but we can still do some investigating with the time we have.
わかりました。じゃあ、5時半頃に集合しましょうか。
Sounds good. Oh, and one more thing.
はい。
Don't wear your school uniform. We don't know the patterns of the criminal, and Anyway, okay, we don't know the patterns of the criminal, if they have any, but we know that, but we know they're perfect. It's unreasonable to assume that they might have a thing for school uniforms.
わかってますってば。自分を餌にするようなことはしません。
I mean, pers- okay, personally speaking, I would think, okay, I would think that they would have a more thing for school uniforms. I mean, I mean, okay, I mean, I don't know for sure, but I could swear like over in Japan or whatever that's what draws people to to um to uh to to be pervs over in Japan. The school uniforms. I think I could swear they have like short skirts, but I don't think it's like too short because they if it's like too short they get in trouble. But I'm not idea how long ago. I mean, that's like years ago, I think. So I mean, I haven't like got more recent into it, but but anyway, good.
はい。服を着替えて、集合場所は寮のロビーでいいですか？
Sure.
私も問題ないよ。
Okay.
よし。方針は決まりましたね。
Yay.
放課後の行動のためにも、まずはしっかり食べないと。ですね。
Oh man, for some reason I'm freaking tired.
あ、サトルくん。
Oh, Naname. Oh, yeah, she's so fine. Oh, I just say this again. One of my favorite outfits of Naname. But I do love our lovely bikini that we wait a minute that we got from lovely Naname. I'd say this again. This is one the my best outfits. Um, but her school uniform is what quite frank is top tier too. It's this in a uniform. But anyway, what I'm talking about anatomy, and it's not even in anatomy's route. Sorry. Have you guys been waiting long?
いえ、そんなことはないですよ。それよりも先輩、準備はできてますか？
Yeah, yeah. Let's go. Ah,
ラッシュってどれぐらいなんだろう。ななみちゃんは他の場所でも満員電車の経験ってないの？
oh yeah. The trains are super packed.
うん。前に通ってたところでも徒歩圏内だったから。
Ah.
そっか。ななみちゃんの場合、その方が良かったかもね。そんな豊満な体をしてたら、絶対痴漢に狙われるだろうからね。
Yeah, yeah. That is prime. She's got the prime, the prime target. She's got everything. And plus, look at Chisaki's like yeah. Just look, you could imagine Chisaki just eyeing on and be like, just pointing out, them hips, that ass, them thighs, them tits that she's freaking got, and that blonde, she's got everything that says, you're just a target. You got everything.
満員電車を使ってると、痴漢の被害に遭わない方が珍しいって話もあるぐらいなんだから。
Yo, what kind of stories are you looking at, Chisaki?
それはさすがに話を持ってるだけなんじゃないかな。
No, girl, she's not. That's the sad thing. She's not.
あと、満員電車で身動きも取れない状態だと、たまたまの事故ってこともあるだろうし。
Yeah, everyone's packed like sardines.
正確なところは何とも言えないけどね。そんな話があるぐらい、満員電車は危険ってこと。そんな話を聞かされると、怖くなってきた。
Yeah,
千咲ちゃんは満員電車を利用した経験ってあるの？
probably. I would think so.
一応何度かは。でも私って背が低いから。
I love it. She's a little too short. She's too short.
満員電車だと 本当にぎゅうぎゅうで息ができなくなるわ。つり革に捕まることもできなくて転びそうになるわで大変なんだよ。
Yeah, oh yeah, them safety handles are all the way top or on the top.
だからできる限りその時間は避けるようにしてた。
Yeah, okay, so you don't have to sit on this like on the side or whatever, or hold the bar, eh, or the
じ
rail.
ゃあ千咲ちゃんは痴漢にあったことは？
Oh, I mean, oh, sorry. Anyway, okay. Sorry. This had to turn up a little bit. This is a good question. Has she?
幸いなことに被害には遭ってないよ。
Oh, thank God. Thank God. Thank God. Maybe I should do this on my own. Yeah, yeah. We got prime targets right here. We got prime targets. We got super prime target over here in Anime. And we got cute Chisaki over here that quite frank, I don't know if she's up to it. I mean she's got the enthusiasm, but I mean, yeah, don't have the body type. From wait, okay, excuse me. From what you say, it seems dangerous to board a train during a rush hour as a girl. Even leaving aside that fact that we've got a serial molester at large.
確かにななみちゃんは乗らない方がいいかもしれませんね。
Yeah, yeah. I'm talking about you too. I'm talking about you too. Yeah, both of you. Okay. Well, you need to put more value in yourself.
でも揉むほどないのは間違いありませんよ。
Hey. Just cause you don't have a nice good pair of boobas, you still got a nice butt. Why are you only looking at it like that okay, why are you only looking at it through that lens? No matter what you said, you're a pretty girl, and I'm not just saying that.
でもいろいろと貧相な体だし、わざわざ犯罪を犯すリスクを背負ってまで触りたいとは思えませんけど。
Chisaki, Chisaki, believe me, there are people who would. There are people who would. I had to say there are people that would. Um, again, just cause you have, you got small A cups. Does don't That's not gonna stop people. That's not gonna stop people.
自分で言ってて悲しくなります。ぐし
Why do you keep demeaning yourself like that? Being as cute as you are, you're bound to catch the attention of a guy.
はあ、そういうものですか？
I do. You shouldn't assume that no one will molest you just because you don't see yourself as attractive. Uh, at the very least, you're attractive enough in my eyes.
あ、はあ、ありがとうございます。で、お礼を言っていいのかな？
Yeah.
むしろセクハラで怒っていいんじゃない？キモいって思ったら素直にそう言っていいよ、千咲ちゃん。
Oh, and of course, the siscon, the brocon, the brocon over here is sitting there telling, yeah, hey, yo, don't be afraid to tell his ass is fucking creep. Yeah, the siscon again, the brocon over here telling the siscon, is comedic. I do say so myself.
そんなことは思ってないってば。いや、本当に。
Ah, look at that. Ah.
ならいいんだけど。こんな時に妹の友人を口説かないでほしいんですけど。
You're hitting on her right in front of me. Right in front of me. Oh gosh. Oh no! Oh, I swear, I love Nanami. Wow, that's slander. I'm not even trying to hit her. I'm just giving her advice. And everything I said applies to you too. You have to look out.
わかってるよ。
Yeah, she's so cute. She's like, whatever, whatever. Actually, on second thought, I think you should two should probably stay here. Yeah, you two are just stay here. We can't risk Nanami, her and our delicious body, and the fact that she's our sister. Though, quite frank, both is more reasonable. Quite frank, Chisaki. I mean, quite frank for Chisaki. I mean, again, somewhat same applies to Nanami. Um, though she has no boobas, I mean, again, she's a target. She's a, I mean, she is a target. And I'd say quite frank, Chisaki looks quite frank like the one. If you would touch her, quite frank, she wouldn't. She wouldn't, you know, say anything. She'd probably try to push away or something or resist a little bit. But I hate saying it, but yeah. But hopefully though, though at the same time, I mean, it also would surprise me though that Chisaki would be the one to kick you in the nuts. She would probably to say no means no, and bam, right in the nuts you go, and you fall the fuck over.
それはお断りします。それとこれとは話が別です。
Oh, uh-oh.
犯人を捕まえるって言い出したのは私なんですから。
Oh, look at Chisaki taking the assertive charge. No, I am doing this. I guess she's not backing down no matter what I say.
ここで帰ったら先輩に全てを押し付けることになっちゃいます。さすがにそれはできませんよ。
I mean, yeah, but I mean, not okay. Okay, how about this? Okay, not me. Okay, what about you? Okay, you two go together, quite frank.
私も千咲ちゃんと同じだよ。痴漢は怖いけど、犯人を捕まえるって決めたんだもん。ここで引き返したりしないよ。
Uh, I hope I hope this bastard doesn't touch our lovely Nami. All right, I guess it's a little late to talk out of it. Anatomy is a very responsible person and quite stubborn about that. It's our mission, so she probably won't let me go alone. And if she doesn't, Miwu-san won't either.
それに今日は先輩が一緒ですから。
Oh, great. And we got more tag-alongs.
頼りにしてもいいですか先輩。
Yeah. Now that she's asking me, I kind of want to show off. Fine, we'll go together.
ありがとうございます。
Eh. Okay. If this bastard
すごい人。これだけの人数が本当に乗れるの？
if this bastard touches our lovely Nanami, he's had death penalty. I've said death penalty, life in prison. Yeah.
多少無理やりにでも乗るんだよ。だから満員になっちゃうんだよ。
Yeah. Stay close to me. We're pushed into the corner of the train car.
やっぱり苦しい。
Yeah.
こんなに来るんだ。急に揺れたら。すみません、すみません。足を踏んじゃってすみません。
It's okay, Dennis. Make sure you don't get separated from me. Yeah, come on now, you two stay close now.
はい。
Yo. I mean, okay. I wish they would show like the actual train experience of well, Chibi art wise any damn way of just of how crowded it is in Japanese trains. Like I'd say that person for me that'd be I would enjoy that like a lot more. of them sitting there saying, "Hey, this is how what it's like." Yeah.
頑張ってみる。
Oh, yay. All right. Nothing should happen if they stay close. Like if they stay this close. Uh,
あれ、なんか急に楽になったかも。
yeah, girls, don't worry. Stay close to me. Uh, though I have to say, I have to say, this feels okay, this feels like familiar of the zero. Um, the was I forgot the freaking say. The plane is freaking the something planes, the flat planes, and the freaking what is it, the holy mountains. Oh, oh goodness. Actually, you know what? Actually, I'm gonna make a tweet about this. By time this freaking out, I'm gonna make a freaking tweet about this. I just need to remember tomorrow any damn way. Or
少しだけ隙間ができた。
are you girls okay? You're not hurt, are you? No one tried to touch you inappropriately. Wait, no one tried to touch you in any inappropriate places, right? Yeah, look, ugh, I swear. I swear, look how cute our girls look. Just so adorable. Not only with the up pleasing eyes. Oh, so precious. Same with Chisaki.
ありません。私も平気だよ。
Good. There we go. Hopefully we can get through this. Good. Try to stay still. I put my hands against the wall to shield them. This should this at least works to protect them from the onslaught of people. Everyone around them should understand that they're with me now. No molester would bother with women that are being escorted by a man.
あ、これ、先輩のおかげ。ありがとう、サトルくん。
Ah, that's our girls. Don't mention it. Minute by minute, the train gets more congested. I feel an over. I feel I then feel overwhelmed. I then feel an overwhelming presence pushing against my back. But I can withstand it using it. But I can withstand it by using my ability. The only problem is with this position that I can't do what we came here for to look for the criminal.
満員電車ってこんなにぎゅうぎゅう詰めになるんだ。
I mean, what if it's a woman though?
これでもまだマシな方だよ。先輩が支えてくれてるから。
Yeah,
さっきまで押しつぶされそうだったしね。
yeah.
そっか。こんな押し合いへし合いの中じゃ動くこともできないよね。逃げられないわけだ。
I have to say this though. I say this just because I'm much of a pervert. I am, quite frank. Not, if y'all girl, if y'all, if we were, okay, if y'all girl was to whack, do some hand motions, at a time like this, our boy couldn't do anything. Nah, to me, that means you, quite frank.
そして誤解が生まれる可能性も高いから問題になってるんだよ。
Yeah,
早く解決しないとね。
yeah. I can't look behind me, so I'll leave the monitoring for you two. Don't worry about me. Just try to look around.
わかりました。
Be careful though.
了解。あ、でも無理はしないでください、先輩。
Okay, I'm sorry. It's fine.
もし辛かったら腕の力を緩めてくれてもいいですよ。
I we can't. I don't want to risk you girls. We did.
心配しなくても先輩のことを痴漢だなんて言ったりしませんから。
It's just. I mean, maybe a sister molester, maybe. Thanks. I'll do that if my arms start to wear out. We keep looking for the molester, and rode the train until it was time to go back. Interesting.
ななみちゃん、早く早く、門限に遅れちゃうよ。
Oh, curfew.
わかってる。わかってるけど。
Oh yeah, oh that's right. Our girl's not good at sports. Our girl's not good at sports. Oh,
到着。
oh, let's see Nanami sitting there falling on the ground. That was close. I want to show Nanami almost dying.
よかった。
Oh my gosh. Give Nanami some water. Give that girl some water. Some CPR.
3人とも今戻ったのか？
Oh, hey, Nanami, hey, girl. Looking fine, that sweater.
ずいぶんギリギリじゃないか。一体どこで何をしていたんだ？
Oh shit, that's right. Oh, after, well, she's still gonna be strict for last. We just had some business to take care of. We were planning to be here earlier, but some things happened.
ライトレールがすごく混雑してて、降り損ねちゃいまして。
Yeah.
本当に、すごい人混みでした。
Poor Nanami. Poor Nanami. As embarrassing as it is to admit, this is 100% my fault. In trying to protect them, I collided, I corralled us to so, corralled us so far back that we couldn't get out by the time we made it, trial station.
この時間は混んでるだろうな。それも考えて、ちゃんと余裕のある行動を取らないとダメだぞ。
Yes, ma'am.
今回は間に合ったからよかったものの。
Yeah, yeah. We got a little caught off guard. We won't let it happen again.
わかった。
それじゃあ、私たちはご飯を食べてきますね。
Yo, our girl, yo, she's still, Nigel son's still freaking, yo, yo, we may be going out like that. I'm still gonna follow the rules.
ちょっと待って、千咲ちゃん。走りすぎて脇腹が。
So, careful, now Miss coughing up a lung. Oh goodness. Okay, hold on. Let's walk slowly now. Yeah, now he's about to cough up a lung and more. Oh, poor Nanami.
今日は空振りでしたね。仕方ないよ。それに、時間なんてない方がいいんだから。
Yeah, for now.
そりゃ、少ないに越したことはないけどさ。坂上さんのためにも、野放しにできない。
Yeah, I know I wasn't planning on stopping after this either. Let's keep riding the train for now. So on that note, I realized something today. It's probably better if I ride the train alone.
悟くん一人に押し付けるわけにはいかないよ。
Yeah, but I mean, we don't have to worry about you two. Like, I mean, don't get me wrong. I mean, having two girls are there, great, but I mean, you two are prime freaking targets. Nanami's juicy. So, and just to say, Nanami's juicy. And with these two together, quite frank, okay. With those two together, right? With those two together, I would think, quite frank, one of them would get it. One of them would get assaulted. I hate. I mean, I think one of them would get assaulted. And why I'm gonna sit there and say that is because the other one probably was they'll probably okay. I'd say the molester would probably do a butt grab at most, or probably try to take some pictures of her skirt or something.
そうです。それにこれは私が言い出したことなんですから、最後まで付き合わせてください。
I know how you feel, but like I said before, attractive girls are at risk. I can protect you, of course, but I can't focus on anything else. I learned that painfully well during our ride today. No matter how what no okay, wait. Oh, okay, excuse me. Hold up. No matter how sharp one's senses may be, it's difficult to assess anything when you're swarmed by a huge crowd like that. You can only rely on your sight. I want you to let me do this on my own so we can catch the criminal as soon as possible.
それって、私やななみちゃんが邪魔ってことですか？
Actually, okay, I think, quite frank, you two can probably help another way. It, okay, you may not have to be there. Maybe like not, okay, maybe not on that car or whatever. Maybe like somewhere else doing something. Well, at least with this, you won't be, you'll just be making things harder for me. If you girls are around, I have to give you priority over the search. But since I'm a guy, I can solely focus on trying to pinpoint the molester if I'm alone. It's not like men can't be molested. It's just unlikely. I mean, okay, maybe I shouldn't say unlikely, quite frank. Um, but it's you know, I mean, you don't see it often. I say you don't see it often, quite frank. I mean, okay. Okay, I'd say maybe okay, maybe you see it often, but I mean, well, I don't. I don't think it is not like that. Um, but I'll see. Okay, I'll think the only time like if the guys get molested or whatever, is like they're like wasted or some crazy shit like that. Yeah. Or they have like or someone does have a position of or something, like their father or some crazy shit like that. Um, or a family member, like Frank, or a family member, which I have experience of. But regardless, um, yeah, that's such times like that. But anyway, but according to the reports, this particular method is only after what goes after women.
うーん。
Okay, both of them look at me. Their gaze is dead serious. Still, I can't captivate on this matter. Even if they get upset at me over it. Above all, I'm on a mission I have to accomplish at all cost, and I don't want to put them in danger either. I respond to them with a gaze of conviction myself, and
そこまではっきり言われちゃうと仕方ないですね。
yeah, contrary to what I imagined, Shimizu-san yields struggling, seriously.
何言ってるんですか？先輩が言い出したことじゃないですか。
Well, no, but I thought for sure you would try and argue against me.
そりゃ邪魔って言われるのはショックでしたけど、
I mean, we can't take the risk.
でも実際あのラッシュを経験しちゃうと反論はできません。先輩が守ってくれなかったら押しつぶされてましたよ。
Yeah, and we got the walking dynamite over there, Nanami, quite frank. That I'm sure everyone's googly eyed for. Everyone's just drop their jaw and just have drop their jaws and freaking got drool just flying, just pouring out their mouth at our lovely Nanami.
うん、そうだね。サトルくんがいなかったら身動きどころか息もろくにできなかったと思う。
Yeah, and quite frankly, Nanami, I'm sorry to say, but again, you know, You're just too delicious. Yo, not again. Yo, Nami's too delicious. If this is if this doesn't prove the point, you know, she's too delicious. She's too delicious. Like, come on now, she's too delicious not to sit there and say, "Oh, yeah," like, come on now. But anywho, I wasn't expecting it to be that bad either.
足を引っ張ってごめん。
You're not dead weight, babe. You girls are not dead weight. It's just we can't risk it. You're not dead weight in general. It's only in this significant instance. I just had to confirm that going about this in a group isn't the smartest idea. For now, I'll board the train alone.
うん。力になれないのは心苦しいんだけど。
What you can do, you two can do something, quite frank, is you can welcome us back, quite frank.
すみません先輩。よろしくお願いします。
Yeah, thanks. Don't worry, I'm just about as a sub as well. I'm just as upset as you guys. I won't let the molester get away. Yeah, we're gonna break his fucking ankles.
はい。ありがとうございます。
Yeah, we're gonna break that motherfucker. I'm just as glad they're accepting they've been wait. I'm just glad they're being accepting of my suggestion. Though something tells me, quite frank, they're just gonna sneak out. Something just tell me they're gonna sneak out regardless. But we still learned basically nothing about the molester. I have to get serious, or this is where the true battle starts.
一緒に現場に向かうのは邪魔だと自分でも思いました。でも他のことなら邪魔にならずに手伝えることもあると思うんです。ですから先輩、もし困ったことがあったら何でも言ってください。今回の痴漢とは別のことでも全然 OK ですよ。
Okay, thank you.
もちろん私も力になるから何でも言ってね、サトルくん。
You not me. You so choo-choo. Thank you. I'll be sure to rely on you if something ever comes up. Yeah, especially Nanami.
リドルジョーカー。
Though quite frank, I'm surprised. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, after that, I kept riding train while not. Wait, okay, well, okay. That little choreograph like change or whatever. That little spicy change or whatever. I think okay. I think that was probably a fluff scene,
セー
maybe.
ブ画面だよ。
Maybe that was probably a fluff scene or one we couldn't see. But whatever. Anywho, okay, I'm gonna cut it here. Okay, thank you all for coming. Um, and and thank you for watching. But tomorrow is Sun. No, Wednesday. Thursday. Tomorrow's Thursday. Thursday. Um, I'm gonna try and do Hello Lady live stream. Um, I'm gonna try and do um what you call it Friday. Live stream Friday. I might change Ultimate Dom till Sunday. I might change it to Sunday and do Secret Agent Friday. I have no idea. But anywho, thank you all for coming out and stuff, and I'll see you all tomorrow.